ICP token remains one of the most interesting projects in the crypto space, despite the massive fluctuation in price at its ICO. This is because the goal they're aspiring to reach is so massive that if they're able to achieve it, it will be revolutionary and will change the world as we know it. ICP token aims at providing a limitless transaction environment with security to run at web speed. It's the first frictionless blockchain which is gaining attraction at an exponential rate. Within 10 weeks of launching, Blockchain Internet Computer has attracted 500 developers and nearly 250,000 users of its applications. This all seems like great news. So then why is the price of the ICP token still falling? Furthermore, a lawsuit just got filed against the Dfinity's ICP token, claiming that it is an unregistered security. What impact will this have on the ICP token? Is it a dead project and should you move your money elsewhere? In today's video, I'll be answering all those questions. I'll be sharing with you some very exciting news and some not so exciting news about the internet computer, so you can get up to date with what's going on with the token. Then at the end, I'll be sharing with you all my investment strategy for the ICP token. As always, my analysis is always free from bias. This is not a bandwagon channel that only talks about the positive aspects of tokens. I will share with you all both the positive and the negatives, so you can make better investment decisions. Make sure you guys stick around till the end. You don't want to miss out on this. What's up guys? Welcome back to Maniba Invests. On this channel, I'll be helping you make smart investment choices by doing extensive research and bringing you the best cryptocurrencies and stocks to add to your portfolio. As always, if you're ready to take the next step in your journey to financial freedom, then make sure to smash that like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. This really helps out the channel and tells YouTube to push this community to other like-minded investors. First, let's go over what new stuff is happening with the ICP token, as that will help us better understand how this token will perform in the future. I'm not going to go into the details about the ICP protocol, because I have previously made 4 videos explaining it in the simplest way that everyone can understand. Links to all those videos are in the description below. I would highly recommend you all to check those out if you want to learn about the fundamentals of the internet computer. Recently, Dfinity's main focus has been on expanding their ecosystem. They plan on doing so by getting developers to code using their platform. They recently updated their website to focus more on developers. Previously, it was more information-centered, where people can learn about what the internet computer is. Now, it's all about developers and the projects being built on the internet computer. They also have a developer grant program, where they're giving out up to $100,000 to promising developers. So far, this has worked out great. Dfinity now has 21 projects. Let's go over a few of the projects that really stood out to me and I think have great potential. DCVR is a decentralized version of Reddit, where users are the owners. It is currently fully functional and is purely built on the internet computer. It works just like Reddit at web speed. OpenChat is the first ever decentralized real-time messaging application and is an alternative to WhatsApp. Earlier this year, WhatsApp announced an update privacy policy that requires users to accept that their account details, phone number, metadata, financial transactions, log reports, locations, device identifiers, and IP addresses will all be shared with Facebook. Users were told to accept the new policy or risk losing access to their account. With OpenChat, messages are processed and maintained on-chain by advanced smart contracts, so no company will be able to sell user data. The most interesting project to me is Motoko Playground. It's an online development environment for the internet computer. It allows users to build and deploy Canister smart contracts directly within a web browser, without needing to download the Dfinity Canister SDK or set up a wallet. Because developers don't need to set up their own development environment. This full in-browser experience enables anyone to explore and learn Motoko while experimenting with programming on the internet computer from anywhere. This makes learning to program on ICP a lot more accessible and developer-friendly than it has ever been before. Dfinity's focus on enhancing developer experience will greatly attract developers, which will in turn grow the Internet Computer's ecosystem. There are a lot of other very cool projects as well. You guys can check them all out on their website. I love this approach because projects like these will grow the Internet Computer ecosystem exponentially. Crypto has one of the strongest and largest communities in the world. There are currently over 300 million crypto users out there. This is a very large community that does not have its own softwares and social media applications. Right now, pretty much every crypto project is run using things like GitHub and Discord. Imagine if a software similar to Discord is built on ICP and gets adapted by the whole crypto community. The amount of traffic that would generate will be unfathomable. Founder of Dfinity, Dominic Williams, recently said that the Internet Computer will have significantly greater daily active users than the rest of the blockchain by the end of the year. If Internet Computer can generate such traffic, it will skyrocket the value of the ICP token. This is because the value of any coin depends solely on its trading volume. Utility and services are secondary things. Cryptos have skyrocketed this year. Not because there has been some revolutionary improvement in the crypto space. It's been because the trading volume for crypto has increased drastically. Trading volume is why Ethereum has performed so good. NFTs and other projects being built on the Ethereum blockchain have increased Ethereum's trading volume by a lot. Internet Computer is planning on doing the same as Ethereum, but at a much larger scale. For example, imagine how much traffic a crypto version of LinkedIn can generate. Right now, companies are finding crypto developers solely from word of mouth or from Discord communities. If crypto has a well-established working platform like LinkedIn, where developers can be connected to companies in an easier way, that would change the crypto space. Right now, the Internet Computer is the only platform that can provide us with this. They actually have a beta version called CanCan that is similar to LinkedIn. Now imagine, if Internet Computer provides the crypto community with its own Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, the potential for ICP token is truly infinite, which makes me very excited. With a market cap of only $5.4 billion right now, this has the potential to be $1 trillion utility token. Obviously, it won't be easy and will take a long time, but it's definitely possible. It has not just been good news for the Internet Computer lately. This article came to my attention stating that Dfinity is being sued. A California resident filed a lawsuit against Dfinity, alleging that the ICP token is an unregistered security. Thus, Dfinity violated the US Securities Act by selling it. The complaint has been filed on behalf of several retail investors who purchased the tokens on or after May 10, 2021, and faced huge losses on their investments. The lawsuit claims that Dfinity created ICP tokens out of thin air and sold them to fund their business operations and partners without filling the appropriate securities registration. Long story short, they are accusing ICP token for being a pump and dump scheme, which can be very bad for Internet Computer's reputation if proven guilty. The exact amount Internet Computer is being sued for has not been disclosed yet. If the Internet Computer loses, they will have to pay a hefty fine, which will set them back quite a bit. On top of that, this will greatly damage their reputation, which might cause developers to stay away from the project. This case is still ongoing, so we cannot make a decisive conclusion yet. I will keep you guys posted with updates on the case. Make sure you subscribe so you are notified of the update video. Overall, I am still bullish on the Internet Computer. I love that they have set such a high goal and are actively working towards it. That's my opinion. You guys should do your own research before you invest in the project. And that wraps it up for today's video. If this video was helpful and gave you a good insight on the Internet Computer, then make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. This way you'll always stay up to date with the latest unbiased investment opportunities. Also, share your opinions in the comment section below. Do you think ICP has a bright future or will it be a bust? I would love to hear your opinions and have a conversation with you all. Until next time, take care and keep investing.